Mayai Lambi Sports Academy at Mayang Infalt Ivy Road was established in 2001. At present, the academy is conducting its 4th edition of 1-month free residential judo coaching camp, wherein 98 players, 55 boys and 43 girls from different communities in the state are taking part. Talking to TOMTV, President of the Academy, T.H. Vijay, said that the Academy has so far produced 2 Arjuna awardees, 1 Olympian, a silver medalist at the Youth Olympic Games, and several international and national level judo players. He added that the Academy aims to guide youngsters to right path far away from drugs and anti-social activities.
Sum thengnadana laigaradaba laisuroba adugma drug ache aikoi hujik aikoi sports haibasina aikoi phagani sports in natragati apikpa angang chahi tara dagi aikoi sports ta aikoi nisa samnaba yade adudagi mayai kaba amatta samnaba yade aduna maram moiduna aikoi hujik changsaliba aikoi popi yandana aikoi adudagi ima event ke ana mera pai bi khutta mera pai dana ahing nungthing changi ba che aikoi karmai tawraga aikoi koksi ge hargadi haurak liba angang sing ase aikoi sports ta thajalaga aikoi loina mak masa mau phaba angang ama woina aikoi puthoga sports ka aikoi nisha ga thawge ising ga tinaba yadabugum aikoi matang du da aikoi adumain tawraga aikoi nisha je thingba ngamgani.
Vijay further said that the academy seeks help from donors, well-wishers, parents and guardians in running it, since the state government or youth affairs and sports have not extended any kind of assistance to the academy so far. As such, there is fear of an uncertain future of the academy, he said, and sought attention of all leaders, bureaucrats and entrepreneurs in the state so as to enable the academy to continue shaping the career of these young players in this academy.
Aikoina mamang dasu yaragadi sarkarna adopt tawiduna aikoisi loksan biu awat pasi mention biu aina haijagi basu leire aduga mathangju hojik laiba tungi future dasu asmai tawdana aikoi khidang yangjan biu aina sarkargi maigai dasu apin tawjaningi kasu leitraba aikoigi apikpa khara aikoina khainaraga makoigi phiju phijamnaba lupa lising manga piba adudagi tara piba adumai tawraga aikoi ngasi bo asmai tawdana run tawrai asina aikoi hujik kayang kuina aikoi kathokpa ngamgaduribano magi imungi puthalakpa magi awatpa mayama lei masigi mathaksida aikoi waran class te thengnaji haragadi kathokpachi nataba makoigi angakpa phangba makoigi stamina ma kosingju makoigi spirit ta puthohalaga adumai tawragadi aikoi makhata ba asmai tawdana olympic kya ama puthokpa ngamgani haiba aigi achetpa thajaba thamjari.
Coaches and players of the academy also expressed their viewpoint, urging the young players to strive hard to attain greater success in life.
Kasigi stage yorpa matamda khoi yamna challenging oriba aduga khoi yamna hen struggle torji kaino kada ngasi bogda khoi na government gi karigum facility amata kinds of kanom ta phangdabase masine khoi yam awaba challenging se mamde khoi neighbors ta leiriba adu khoi seida thawai yaujaba sports lovers in khara punjal kanda adegi angang sing ji mama mapa sing ji punjal ga matam gi na paisa collection toba even ngasi ma coaching tori ji khoi na khoi gi mang fan ga khoi bada leiriba yum sing da house donation chachaba mayam jina support to birak pa ngam happy rak pa adamai tor ga ngasi khoi gi sigi stage yorok pani hai jadar
pura oina khoi sacrifice tawbane na khoi tholak rabani na khoi icha jing ji makta yang wana jo hona jare hoju phogda jo aduki mate hona ga na so khoi khallaga dum lepchai aduga khoi gi senior oina leijariba khoi kaka bi joina khoi gi dama khauji phogjo dum wabi ri hana dagi jo koina sanaring matam dagi jo wabi rai aduga aina hajaning ba madi guardian sing jiga khoi ga cooperation yam leina ba yam pami
community wan chabe subjaru ba adu ai gol ore adu awa ju yam thing nei adu
national da ju medal mam lore duga international mangarak saru yare du bronze humum lore tungda la kadar mam je akoina phangi ji dagi hena mam honaraga akoi dagi hena mam phangna ba hona haning
the administration drew the attention seeking any sort of technical manpower or any sort of assistance so that the academy can be uplifted, and in order to make the future generation of the players, that drew the attention of the concerned authorities for the welfare of the academy. With camera person, lawyer, this is Blessing Yangmai for TOMTV News.